two ways to delete photos from your Facebook. So if you want to delete photos from your Facebook, then first open up your Facebook application, and then you can go for the upper right corner which has that three bar icon, and simply open up your profile. And now you can simply scroll down and you can choose any photo that you would like to delete. So I'll be choosing this one. And now you can simply go for the upper right corner which has that three dots icon on that particular photo, and here you will have remove to recycle bin. You can simply tap on that remove to recycle bin, and then your photo will be deleted from your profile, and after 30 days it will be deleted from your recycle bin also. So this is one way. Or you can simply go back to your profile, and here if you simply scroll a little bit down, you will have photos and music option, right? You can simply choose photos, and then you can go for photos of you or uploads or albums. You can choose any photos that you would like, and from here you can simply choose any one of your photo, and then you can go for the upper right corner which has that three dots icon, and here you will have an option to delete photo. You can simply tap on delete photo, and that will delete your photo. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.